8:29. Hopefully that says. I don't know if the camera keeps up on that or not. But anyway, here we go. Give them a couple smokes here just to calm them down. Hi guys. They know I'm up to something. Hopefully they just keep about their little business here and I don't bother them too much. Little propolis. Oh, a lot of bees. Wonderful. There you go, guys. All right, girls. What are we doing in here, huh? Lots of fanning. I'm seeing you guys crawling all over, but I'm not seeing a lot of honey here. So, what are we doing? Huh? Can I come in here? Watch out. Watch out, girl. Come on, let me in. Come on, let me in. You guys don't want me in here, do you? Huh? Got propolis sticking everything together here. Alright. Don't want to squish anybody. There we go. I'm going to gently lift you up, okay? There we go. Alright, now watch out. What do we have? Lots of honey. Lots of honey. Now, what I want to see is what is in these old cells and why haven't we got him out yet? Huh? Okay, it's a larva. I don't see anything on the larva. Yeah, alright. You're going to clean that all up now, huh? Now that I made a mess. Okay. Gently put you back here. Just heard a crunch. That's not a good sign. Come on. Are you out of there? Alright. There we go. Sorry. Okay. Number 2. This has nothing on it. Nothing on it. Number 3 is a black frame. And they like the black frames just about as much as I do. I guess they're just handy to crawl on. There's fanning going on somewhere, but I'm not seeing where. Looks like the second box, I'll bet. Okay, this box they combed a long time ago, and that's all it is comb. Still no honey in it. Oh, this is the one I partial combed. Nope. Not a sign of anything. So all the activity is still in the lower hives, but I'm glad to see this many bees up in here. Whoa, this is heavy. This is full of honey. Wow. Wow, that's heavy. Hey, girls. Yeah, go girls. That is heavy. Nothing capped though. They're not touching these black ones. This one. Alright, so not much different than 10 days ago. Except they ate a hole through that. I guess they needed a place to go. Whoa. That second hive has got some happening stuff though. But the second hive's just gonna have to wait. Because my plan was not for that hive today. I didn't want to disrupt everything. I just wanted to take a peek to see what was going on up here. And a little more smoke going maybe. Alright, good. Make sure everything's even. Looking good. Ow. Last time I did this, I just couldn't help but keep from squishing a few. Well, I dripped a little bit of honey out, so that tells you that honey's still very, very wet. Okay, there is not one girl on the lid or on the top, so I am putting this on lickety split. Oh, this thing. This is not my favorite lid. I will be building another one. There. Got a couple here acting a little bit mean. Smoke kind of confuses them, I guess. Okay, done. Very good.